clay bar treatment to pull out anything still stuck in the paint. Even brand new vehicles need this step to get things perfectly smooth. Then we jump into light paint correction. It may not be visible from a distance, but we want the base to be flawless before locking it in under film. Once the prep is dialed in, it's time to head to the clean room for installation. Dust-free and fully controlled for the best result. Before wrapping, we also took care of a few paint touch-ups. Small chips and imperfections were corrected to make sure everything underneath the film looked clean and consistent. We start with the doors. Matte PPF doesn't just change the look. It gives this soft satin finish while protecting from chips, scratches, and road debris. Next up, the hood, bumper, and fenders. Every piece is custom cut and installed with precision, making sure the finish stays clean and seamless from panel to panel. Making sure every angle is covered. Full body protection means no shortcuts, especially on a build like this. final result. The gloss is now fully wrapped in matte PPF, giving the Bronco a completely new feel. Clean, bold, and protected for the road ahead. From prep to finish, it's all in the details.